Want to update your payment method in the MyRogers app? It's a straightforward process designed for security and ease of use. Open the app and log in using your credentials, verifying with two-factor authentication. Navigate to the Account section, then Billing, and finally Payment Methods. Here you can add a new credit-debit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, link a bank account via Interac or direct debit, or adjust your auto-pay settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your payment details. For cards, you can scan or manually enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV. For bank accounts, provide your account and institution numbers. Confirm your changes with 2FA. Remember, Rogers now uses end-to-end encryption for all payment data, keeping your information safe. Changes typically take effect immediately or at the next billing cycle. Also, note that payment fraud attempts have dropped 50% due to the enhanced security of the app, so you can rest easy knowing your money is safe. If you experience issues, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date. To avoid late fees averaging $5 to $10 seat and ensure seamless payments, consider setting up autopay, which automatically deducts from your chosen method on the due date. You can prioritize multiple payment methods in the app, like trying a card first and then a bank account. The app also supports digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for quick card additions. A growing trend is the use of AI-driven personalization, where the app may suggest changes based on your spending patterns. For example, switching to bank debit if you're approaching card limits. Looking ahead, expect deeper integration of biometric authentication, like voice activation, and AI assistance for easier payment management. While speculative, Rogers is exploring cryptocurrency support via blockchain, although regulatory hurdles in Canada may cause some delays. With mobile payments expected to dominate 70% of Rogers' billing interactions by 2027, these features are being rolled out to maximize the user experience.